Hi guys, so in today's video I'll be showing you guys how I do my high top knot bun or ninja bun on my thick natural hair. So if you're interested on how I do this style, keep on watching. So I'm starting out on an old braid out. My hair is like not dry but getting on the verge of being dry. So I suggest you start this style on semi or stretched hair or semi-stretched hair. It's easier to pull your hair up and all that stuff, so you want your hair to at least be stretched. So I'm gonna use some water, just plain water, nothing in it, and I'm gonna spray the perimeter of my head just to get my hair ready and prepared to be molded up into this bun, and to also help with the dryness because my hair is a little dry. But I'll spray it with some water and then just work the water in. Once I work the water in, I'm going to go in with this Powder Beauty leave-in conditioner, and I'm just rubbing that all around the perimeter of my head as well. Again, I'm doing a lot of smoothing so this bun can be uppity up. So I smooth that in, and then I'm going to go in with the argan oil just to seal the moisture in and smooth that in my hair as well. I'm going to keep doing the smoothing so my hair can be molded and get into that shape. Once I have my hair prepared to be pulled up, I'm going to use this scrunchie. This is more like a cloth scrunchie instead of a traditional one. So it has a lot more stretch on it, and then it's not as constricted, if that makes sense. So I'm going to go ahead and smooth my hair a little more, and then I split my hair in half, and then I pull it up just so I don't have any lumps in the center or anything like that. But this is where the hard work comes in. If you have thick hair, you got to squeeze it and all that stuff. So I wrap the scrunchie around my head 3 times. That's why I like this scrunchie so much, because it is able to wrap around enough times for you. So I wrap it around 3 times, and then I'm going to pull my hair through so it can be like a puff. Once I have my puff, I'm going to go ahead and moisturize my ends of my hair. So I'm going to just use the leave-in conditioner and a little bit of oil just to put on the ends of my hair so they won't be like too crusty and dry. So I also put that on my hair. And then once I do that, I'm going to split my bun into like a section. And this is how I'm going to form my top knot. So I take a small section and then I wrap it around like the base of where the scrunchie is, and I wrap it all the way around until I get back to the front, and I bobby pin my ends. And I keep doing that same thing. I get a section of it, wrap it around my entire puff situation, and then I'll bobby pin it. So it's almost like a volcano type of effect. So the hair is just hanging out the top and it's getting taller and taller. So I'll bobby pin it, and then the last section I'll do the same exact thing, wrap it around, and then I'll bobby pin it. So once I have my top knot bun formed, it looks so good, y'all. I'm not gonna lie. So I shape it with my hands, you know, mush it together and all that stuff. High to the sky type of bun. So the next thing I do is use this Alikay Naturals. It's a styling gel. So I'm putting that around the perimeter of my head because it's like frizzies and stuff going on, and I don't like how that looks. I want my hair to be at least a little sleek, but not like sleek. So I'm going to put the gel on, and then I'm going to use my scarf to lay it down for like 15 to 10 minutes. And then after that, I'm going to come back and take it off. Alright guys, so after 10 to 15 minutes, I'm taking the scarf off. If you see that light area, that's the gel. It's not completely dry yet, so that's that. But after that, I'm going to go in with some edge control. I'm not an edge expert. I just do what I can and finesse. So I just put some edge control on just to get my edges to look a little fancy, you know. So after I'm done finessing with my edges, This is my top knot bun all formed and ready to go. I wanted to add some hair accessories to my top knot so it won't be like so basic. So I just bought these hair accessories off of Amazon. I just typed in hair clips or hair accessories on Amazon and these came up. So I'm gonna just add those to my bun just to add a little spice and a little kick to it, alright? So after I do that, I'm gonna go back, finesse my edges a little more, and then I'm going to also the little sideburn things, to put some gel on those and to like twirl them around my fingers so they can have a curl going on instead of it being so puffy. So that's all I do for my top knot, you guys, and I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Don't forget to share so we all know how to do a top knot bun, alright? Don't forget you're beautiful, you're strong, you the best music, and I will see you guys in my next one.